Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phibaro kinigilong ki khubor bam takasni. Ka Deputy Director Katnat Health Services Malaria Kam State Program Officer NCVBDC kala pentim bayo ubnai jiliu la rakhi kamu anti malaria month lani ubnai banya kun persha ka jingpang kesho namar udai ubnai basdang ka ayam slap ubnai basdang ki ka jingpang kesho. Kathong jong ka jingrakhi ya ka anti malaria mon kadai e ha ka ban pinsngo thu ya ki pait ba haringkat ka jingya trailang bar ki pait ba na ka bentaban ya khun persha ya ka jingpang kesho. Habaro ka wei kari ya ka World Malaria Day la jurakhi ha ka absantrik uya yong mana usnem. Katanat ka koit ka khya ka jupelong ya bunjat ki program ya lapat ba halor ka jingpang bar kumno banya dana ka ni ka jingpang. Ya kijingnya lapat bah la pelong na kebentaban pentikna bakari bakajila Meghalaya kena ban rat dingkong ya kejimpang kesho apo usnem araja laipong. Ka Meghalaya klala ban penduna ya kejingdan ki bayo pang kesho andai ha usnem arajar arpulai kaladan biang kejingbun ki baklat na kani kejingpang berkasau Garo Hills District kadi kebabun ha kejingdan ki baklat na kejingpang. Na gabenta ban penduna ya kejingdan ki bayo pang kesho ka sarkar kelas dang kejing examen pat ba habaro kishnong ha kejing ya trailang bat ki Asha ANMS bat ki borshnong.
Pinsa edit himu PM. Te kubli shibun ni nakaliang jong ka office jong Deputy Director of Health Services Malaria. Ibadairu State Program Officer jong kene ka National Center for Vector-Borne Disease Control. Hauni upanai Jun yang mana hasilnya? Jeliu. Hauni upanai jeliu. Ngisit pelong ya kene ka anti malaria month. Manusnam. Kene anti malaria month ngisit pelong bagi hauni upanai hakapor ba shwa bangin yo ki slap bajur because hadin baka slap ngisit ini kasit kham bun ngisit kham yo bun case jongka malaria te hauni upanai jeliu ni pek bangi de pelong bun ha ki activities kum ki IEC ka ki meeting mengilong bat ki shnong bat ki VHC ban pentip iki pat ba yaki kita kishen yang ni jingpang kisho bat kumno banyata na ni jingpang kisho ha upanai ya yong ru kadai ni shit celebrate ya ni ka anti malaria world malaria day sorry ni shit celebrate ka world malaria day ka neru kadai ka ni shit pernah kam ya ni ka world malaria day kum ka way na ki event ni ki lat ki lenti ke bang hidup la ban sapriang ya ni ka sapriang awareness syaki padba bikin duktim ki kita kishin bat kumno banyada dengan ni jingpang malaria te kumno ba nakaliang jong department jungi ngidon ru ki asas ki badan haman la kishnong kini ki asas ni pek ba ki dei bandon bek kini ki RDT kita rapid diagnostic test kaba kini ki brio la ki don jingshit ki la ban test haki shnong lejong te la ki don kinu ki brio ki ba yo positive hadin bala ada test ki la ban yo kini kita wai na ki ju ki asha kini ki asha jungi borok kita ki bala dep yo training ka bakam kerpang hakaliang jong kumno ban test bat kumno ban sumar yang kani jingpang malaria nalor kata haki sub center haki PHC ki CHC bat haki hospital repair ki don ki ANM ki don ki lab technicians ki ba le ikini ki test ala ki lab ikino ki ba don ikini ki jingpang ki stang ban ai ikini ki tawai ki te ka way na ka jingthmu jong ni ka program jungi ka day ba lada ki brio ki yo e ka jingpang malaria ru ka bakong santam ka day ba ki day ban yo e ki tawai immediately ang ki day ban yo e ki tawai hakapor bobiang ban nuplat naka jing sosi kan nuplat dengan jing yap ki dengan jing sosi te sakawai ka sakaway ka benta nakalian ka department ka bagi le kate kani bangi ngisa mi kiniki musari ki bangi khat ki LLIN ki long lasting insecticide bed nets kini gide ki musari ki bala dam dawai de lada ki bre ki padan kami kini ki musari kala ban yada naka jing syadat ni ki porjong ki ba sakrian ni kani ka Jepang shop don ki aku mau ngipi meneng don ki asa ki don haman lagi snong nolor kata ngidon sikini ki surveillance workers ki surveillance inspectors ki badai ki dong tray jongka health department ki neru ngidon haki PHC haki subcenters and kam ki kan dia bikin dektur ki snong te kini dele ki degi petrai be tang de mentar kan ka kam malaria kini dele ki bala tibet ba kan ka jing ai dawai bat ka jing test te ba haba pi ong ba kumno baki ka jing ong jong pi baki kha baki health facilities ki kham jingai ni snong ka degi namar kata ngi hapet ba baki asa jongi ki tregen ka kam te kawai na ki lenti ki ba ngi pe baki asa ki tri ba kan ka dei baki shit yo incentive ro ki yo jing si ya kinu ki RDT ki blood test ki le ki yo khasan ka lada don unu breu pada uba yo positif ki hap pendi dawai anda ki la pendi dawai ki yo pada sak insentif ka wan poi hado arspa tengka te ne kini ki incentives ki bingi ai ki asa ni pet wa ki asa hoi ki bon kam tang ba e ka kam ki le ru ki yo compensation ki yo jingsi.
But if you look at 2023, there was an increase in the malaria cases and deaths in our state as compared to the year 2022, with South Garo Hills contributing most of the cases in our state. So to sustain the momentum towards malaria elimination, many activities have been planned. As you know, malaria surveillance has become a core intervention. Mass screenings are being conducted in all remote and hard to reach villages across the state by malaria workers along with the ASHAs. All fever cases are being screened by our ANMs during the VHMD sessions. The focus of the surveillance and screening activities is to ensure universal access to early malaria diagnosis and prompt treatment by enhancing and optimizing case management. ASHAs and malaria program workers are equipped and trained for blood slide collection, RDTs, that is rapid diagnostic tests, which is done at the field, and are provided with anti-malarials at the village level. As you know, early diagnosis and complete treatment is one of the strategies outlined in the framework for malaria elimination. So various campaigns are also being held in schools and villages involving the students, village health councils, the NGOs, the faith-based organization, student organization, and traditional healers to raise awareness on the adoption of the anti-malarial strategies like getting every fever tested for malaria, use of LLINs, that is the long-lasting insecticidal bed nets, and carrying out activities in line with Swachh Bharat and not allowing water to collect, which might lead to mosquito breeding. Today we met our health minister also, and we have briefed her on the malaria situation in our state and the number of cases, and she has shared her commitment in our program towards the goal of malaria elimination in the state by 2030 in line with the